to 1620 Zack Logan Avenue West in Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is almost 1,600 square feet, totally remodeled, beautiful open floor plan, a nice fenced-in backyard, a 2-car garage. What more could you ask for? Call today for your private showing. This home comes standard with a 2-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structure warranty, a gold fortified certificate, and a survey. Need to sell before you can buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can give you a free market analysis of your home and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.